Rahim. Continuing to our Civil 3D class. Today video is about how to build a pressure pipe network. In today's video we will learn how to build a part list for the pressure pipe network. So for that, first of all, I will go to home tab, then create design, and from here I will set the pressure network catalog. First of all, I will select pressure pipe network, type of pressure pipe network, and I will create a catalog for that one. So when I click on here, as you can see, there is a folder from here, a catalog folder, and here you can select a database file. So there are different type of networks. You can select one, which one you need. So the first one is push on, so I will select the push on and click OK. So after setting that, I will go to the setting. Here, as you can see, from pressure network, I will click on the plus sign, and here there is two folder, where one is part list, the other is command. So in part list, if you can see, there is a standard inverter. So I will create a new one. For the new one, I will write here anything. I can write new part list or anything you want. You can rename here. Okay. You see there are pressure pipes, fitting, and appliances, and there is summary. Okay. So after creating this, you go to pressure pipe. From here, as you can see, new part list. For the pressure pipe, right click here and click add material. The catalog name already appear here. I push on here, as you can see, select this one and click OK. Now click on the plus sign, and as you can see here, right click and select add sizes. From this dialog box, if you can see, there is nominal diameter, inner diameter, outer diameter, wall thickness, cut length, available deflection, and minimum flex radius. Okay. So you should check your 5 typical section, and from there you will find this thing. Except this cut length, and which cut length this pipe is available. Put here. So like this, you can select one by one. Here, as you can see, you can select one by one type. Here, the inner dia. There, as you can see, the inner dia is automatically attached to this one. If you change this one, as you can see, it's automatically set here. The outer diameter, the nominal diameter, and the wall thickness, you can change this one. The available deflection, you can change this one, or you can select here from all, add all sizes, check this one, and here you see all the sizes are added to this one. Now if I click here, you can see all the sizes with the 100 mm, 150 to 100, the center line, like this center line water, and the end material, and the FA item. You can select FA item for this one. You can now go to fitting, the same process. Add the type. As you can see, there is elbow and T. Select both the boxes and click OK. Now, as we did before, add sizes, different type of sizes, select all sizes from here, click OK. And now you will see there is different type of sizes here, same like here, add sizes to this one. There are different type of sizes for the spitting, so you can select here the specific or add all sizes. Here is T, inside the T and elbow, as you can see here, they added here. The next one, same process, right, add type, right click and select this one, click OK. Then select here and right click on this one and add size. For here, as you can see, there are few sizes, so you can select one or check all this one here, and you will see all are added here. Okay, so this was the method how you can add a part list, new part list to your pressure network. Okay, after that, as you can see this this push on catalog box and use. If you want to use sometime, we need another one. Suppose you need something from PVC, something from the other, so click here and select the other one. Select I suppose I select PVC here. So as you can see, this is loaded and this one is uses. And use this one, we are using this one, and this use in loaded. So these are the difference between the two. Okay, if I came here, as you can see, if I right click here, I can delete or edit this one from here. If you right click on anyone from here, you can delete, and you can select many at a time, press shift and select any one of them, you can delete for them. Okay, if I need some time, suppose here this is the ductile iron. If I need inside this one the UPVC file, just click material, and from here, as you have another catalog name here, this is PVC, and check this one and then select here. Now you have two type of parts here, the same here you can add size. Suppose you need something here inside, any type of dia from the UPVC specific, you can add all, you can select specific one as you need. The same like from the fitting, if you need to add another here, just add size, and from here select UPVC. You sometimes you need a UPVC elbow T coupling or reducer, you can use this one and it will appear here. And from going inside there, you can add sizes, what size you need from here, you can select from here, and or you can add all the same like from the T, add size is good here, and what type of T you need from your PVC, you can select from the same process from the one. Select this catalog name PVC, and what type, suppose you need only this one in this butterfly wall, you need this one, you can add from here the both, and this will appear here as you can see, or you can add just this one. This one is remaining, so you can select later all the here what you need and just click OK and it will appear. So after that, after adding this one, you can add size to anyone, and when you need a size, if there is available, it will appear here. You can select. So like this. In the summary, you will see the information about this the new part list, the name and the statistic. Number of pressure pipe added here, pressure, the number of fitting and the number of affordances.